Welcome to this video on Scorpio Ascendant, also known as Vrishchika Lagna in Vedic astrology. Scorpio Ascendants are known for their intense, passionate, and resilient personalities. Ruled by Mars, the planet of energy and aggression, they are naturally strong-willed and determined. One defining trait of Scorpio Ascendants is their memory. They never forget a favor or a wrong done to them. If someone has helped them, they will repay the kindness. If someone has harmed them, they will take revenge. This quality makes them both deeply loyal and fiercely defensive. Scorpio Ascendants are also known for their incredible energy. Whether it's pursuing their goals, hitting the gym, or engaging in daily activities, they approach everything with unmatched intensity. They're the kind of people who are always ready for a challenge. In relationships, Scorpio Ascendants often have attractive and dynamic partners. However, they themselves can be slow to forgive, making emotional reconciliation difficult at times. Their deep emotional nature makes them passionate, but also prone to extremes. Family life for Scorpio Ascendants can sometimes involve tension. They may experience strain in the relationships between their parents or face challenges at home. Their fathers are often seen as self-respecting individuals, sometimes working in government roles or holding steady and respectable positions. Physically, Scorpio Ascendants may not have conventional beauty, but their eyes are incredibly powerful and captivating. Unlike the soft eyes of Libra or Taurus Ascendants, Scorpios have intense, piercing eyes that reflect their strong personality and depth. In old age, Scorpio Ascendants might face loneliness as their independent nature can isolate them over time. Despite this, their life motto remains clear: fight or perish. They are natural fighters, always ready to defend themselves and take on life's challenges. In summary, Scorpio Ascendants are energetic, passionate, and loyal individuals. Their strong will and deep emotions make them unforgettable, whether as allies or adversaries. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other ascendants.